Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mex Mundo kitchen. Today's recipe is for a yummy sweet candy, I guess you can call it. It's for a pistachio mazapan. In Mexico, you very commonly find the peanut ones. This is with pistachios, but they are so delicious. You have them ready in under 30 minutes. Really, really easy recipe, so let's get started. Your ingredients that you need for the recipe are 2 cups of raw shelled pistachios, 1 cup of confectioner sugar, 4 teaspoons of agave syrup, half a teaspoon of table salt. Okay, so we are done making our delicious pistachio mazapan. You kind of get about 30 candies. Of course, it depends on the size of the mold you're using. You can use cookie molds and or cookie cutters, sorry, and any shape you guys want. You can get really creative. In the peanut mazapan video, I already showed you some star-shaped ones and other shapes. They look absolutely beautiful if you get creative with those. If you do the traditional form and size, you'll get about 30. So that's just so you know how much to expect from the amount. They are really yummy. Of course, they're completely different to the peanut, to the almond ones. Each nut has its particular flavor, but it's a very nice recipe that you should definitely try. I'll see you guys in the next video.